General Pipe Cleaner's Kinetic Water Ram. The right tool for clearing clogged sinks, toilets, and other small drains. The water ram is particularly useful for slow-draining tubs and showers. This video gives you a general overview of the operating instructions and safety procedures for using General's Kinetic Water Ram. This video does not include a complete list of all the recommended safety procedures and does not provide specific instructions for every application. For a complete list of safety procedures, or for more specific instructions to solve your particular clogged drain problem, ask your dealer or call the Drain Brains at General, or visit www.drainbrain.com. Disregarding any of the safety procedures while using the Kinetic Water Ram can result in serious personal injury or damage to the equipment. The Kinetic Water Ram provides a safe, clean way to clear smaller pipes and drains. However, as with any tool, certain safety precautions are necessary. Remember these safety rules as you use the water ram. Wear safety glasses or goggles to protect your eyes from any debris that may be thrown from the drain opening. Never use the tool in a drain that has a chemical drain cleaner in it. The Kinetic Water Ram works by releasing a charge of compressed air against a column of water, sending a shock wave through the water and down the line to break up a clog. The shock wave can bypass vents and travel around difficult bends in the drain line. 98% of the shock wave hits the clog, not the pipe walls, so it won't damage or weaken your pipes. Before you start, make sure there is water up to the top of the drain opening. The shock wave produced by the water ram travels only through water, not air. Next, use rags to seal any overflow drains or other openings, such as back-to-back sinks, to make sure that water or debris from the drain doesn't splash back when you use the water ram. If a second sink or opening is connected to the same drain line, it must also be covered before you use the water ram. Use the built-in pump to build up pressure in the water ram's air cylinder. The pressure gauge indicates the amount of air pressure built up. It's best to begin with low pressure, about 10 pounds, to make sure everything is covered properly. Once the water ram is pumped up to the desired pressure, wedge the tip of the rubber cone into the drain opening. You may have to remove the strainer to allow the cone to get properly seated into the drain opening. Press down on the water ram firmly to create a good seal and to prevent water from splashing back. Then, snap the trigger, releasing the full impact of the stored air pressure at once. If the drain is still clogged, you'll need to apply more pressure. Pump up the water ram to 15 pounds and try again. If the drain still isn't clear, try again, increasing the air pressure by 5-pound increments each time. You can easily pump the water ram up to about 60 pounds per square inch by hand, but you probably won't need that much pressure. Most drains can be cleared with 20 to 40 pounds of pressure. After the drain is clear, run water into the drain to wash away any debris. You can use the optional toilet attachment to unclog toilets. Simply remove the rubber cone and thread on the attachment. Then, follow the same procedure as before. Pump up the ram, insert into the drain opening, press down firmly, and snap the trigger. For additional information, read the complete instruction manual. If you have any questions or difficulties, ask your rental dealer or contact the Drain Brains at General. General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.